The only name that stands out to me as we, showed the starting lineups is John Lloyd Clemente. I'm so happy he's here and not in the UAP anymore.
Well, he is back playing for his hometown
Right.
as he scores right on cue.
John Lloyd Clemente.
Neil Tolentino ang kanyang childhood friend talaga, no? One of the newest additions of Pampanga. He is in uniform for today as MJ Garcia scores.
The transition alone from collegiate to pro comfort zone. Dahil yun nga, kasama niya lumaki itong mga to. Mga kakampi niya rin to outside of, mga preseason leagues. Outside of the UAP when he was still playing for the NU Bulldogs as Victoria. That's a good sign for Pasay because he struggled in the last game. 2 of 12.
Wala talaga. At dalang-dala niya rin ang Pampanga Giant Lanterns. For up 4-2. Jeric Serrano. That guy played very well in the previous outing.
He did. And Jeric Serrano, in their last game, he played 19 minutes, only 19 minutes, did have 7 points, but he was 75% from the field.
With Lawrence Victoria, screen by Romel Mangalino. Victoria in trouble, almost traveled, pass inside, what a block by Balti. He is number 1 in the league in shot blocking. Luis Sangalang, the other end. Archie to the corner, JLC, that's a 3.
But what a play by Luis Sangalang. He had an open drive to the baseline.
Oh, double cross. But a turnover. Good hands by Garcia. Numbers for Pampanga.
Good
MJ,
pass.
Archie with a layup.
How about that? Just when you think Garcia with that nifty bounce pass for Concepcion for the finish. Victoria using glass.
Great aggressiveness from Lawrence Victoria. 4 points now for him.
That's it.
Axel against Archie. Crossover. Inigo to Serrano with a fake. And the drive against Balti. Tough move. And he gets the bounce.
It was actually good defense by Balti. He had his hands up. In the Concepcion. Kay Inigo, who really played well in their last game, had 16 points.
And he was very efficient from the field as Sangalang scores on the layup.
Seconds before he took that shot.
Go back with Pasay. Tricky Perumingan. Hilario on the pick and pop. That's a 3.
But you see Baltasar though challenging the shot of Hilario, so the scouting is there.
At the post for retribution. Baltazar on the spin. Could not score. Battle inside. Balti again.
That's the thing. If you force a miss, whether
lahat
it's
ng game yan.
a playoff team or a non-playoff team, lahat ng game consistent, ganun.
Masala na this coming Saturday as Enzo Serrano scores inside.
Mas lalo na si Serrano. Hindi na...
The long regular season. Forward pass. Apolonio. Enzo for 2.
I like the fact that he didn't go up for the highlight because hindi niya makuha yung...
8 points off of turnovers now for Pampanga. They can add to it. JB Bajo. Apolonio. Alley-oop. There's the highlight.
Hindi na nakontento eh. Relax ka lang, Coach Chris. Ito na yung alley-oop. Ginawa nga.
26-14. It looked to be so easy for Pampanga as Marlon Gomez converts.
Makes that jumper also look so easy.
Eco Oil Center in San Juan for your matchup between Pampanga and Pasay. Baseline. Good cut for Neil Tolentino. Welcome to Pampanga.
Welcome, Mr. Tolentino, and for Pasay, which is not a bad rate. The thing is, the multiple opportunities, plus 8 in terms of attempts and will score. This is only, though, an 8-point game. Make it 10.
Now, Sam did mention that Pasay wants to make this.
Actually, they could get inside shots by forcing Pampanga's defense to stretch. Tulad nung almost highlight Serrano. And you want to lessen those emotions by being disciplined.
3-pointer for Axel Inigo as Neil Tolentino went down.
I'm not sure what the call was. Was it on the shooter or off the ball?
Let's see what Andrew will do here. Cross court, Neil Tolentino. Down low, Balti. Mid-range, yes.
A great read that time by Baltasar. No?
Cross court, JP. Axel, corner 3.
Inadali. Ganda ng challenge ni Liwag.
Inside. Better effort coming from Brian Hilario.
Yun naman, hindi minadali.
Lawrence, see the offensive rebounding story, +7. for the Giant Lanterns. Inigo from straight away.
And as expected, what?
The JLC, John Lloyd Cruz.
No. Did I say John Lloyd
You
Cruz?
said it twice.
John Lloyd Clemente. Sorry.
As Lawrence Victoria
John Lloyd
converts.
Clemente. Sorry. Advantage of it.
Only a 4-point lead. Reverente scores inside.
And they do, because Baltasar simply trotted back.
Chance here for Pasay, and they tie things up 37 all.
And that's one way to get Justin Baltasar.
Who wisely goes back up. Serrano. High-low. Reverente scores, and the lead is back with Pasay.
But Pasay doing an excellent job. The double foul. The second foul of Baltasar.
He's still in this game. Luis Sangalang. No basket. Balti is there.
While only the first foul of Reverente.
Last quarter, 50% for Pasay. Miss from Reverente. But the recovery from AJ Coronel. Has proceeded to the line. 4 points. 2 out of 3 so far from the stripe. Another miss. Another offensive rebound at 2 points for Encho Serrano.
How about that?
Yeah, to end the second quarter.
His zone is Pampanga to start this quarter.
Don Reverente, top of the key. That's a 3.
A matchup zone, if you will. Looks like they drop into man-to-man as Baltasar was the one checking Reverente top of the key. But Reverente knocks it down. Binawi naman ni John Lloyd Clemente.
Clemente. There you go. Reverente with 9 points on the other end. The drive. Serrano, one-hander. He gets the bounce. 48-47, 7 points for Jeric Serrano. He's the one trying to cover Balti. Alan Liwag, good cut by Binuya.
Looks to be a 1-3-1 defense probably, or maybe.
Encho Serrano, up top. Another 3, another conversion.
Forcing Pampanga to take outside shots.
Back and forth we go. Axel, shoving off his defender. Mid-range, yes sir. Kabila, Balti Baltazar. There's the answer for Pampanga.
How impressive was that move?
Baltazar with yet another rebound. Raymond Binuya escape, the pass, Encho, corner, 3-pointer.
Opting to start Binuya, but made his presence felt.
Yes.
To your point.
Encho Serrano, that's another 3. What a game for Encho Serrano.
21 big points.
Shot clock beating 12, 2-man game. The deadliest, or
Good
maybe one of the
pass.
deadliest that you can find in the MPBL. 2-pointer for Balti.
Well, what a beautiful pocket pass for Serrano.
He averages 18 and 17 boards per game. Inside, Encho Serrano has become the hero once again for Pampanga.
He's also been the muscle man.
Down the middle, pass inside. Alin Liwag in trouble. Kick out, Binuya with Coach Jerson watching. That's a 3-pointer for Raymond Binuya.
Beautiful. Caught it with 2 or maybe 3 white shirts on him. Kick out to the corner. Binuya knocks it down. Hilario binawi naman kagad. This third quarter has paid dividends for Pampanga.
That's their team captain coming alive for them as Encho Serrano scores and flexes once more. 25 for Encho.
That turnover.
12-point game. Diputado onto Hilario. 3-pointer. Yes.
Simple horns play. Hilario. Why?
In limited minutes. Balti down low. Allen Liwag trying to shimmy.
Nice.
Basket and 1.
That's a beautiful face-up.
Leaner. Too strong.
He won't get a block. But the presence of Baltasar made a huge difference for
Ooh.
that miss.
How about the presence of Raymond Binuya in this quarter?
He has been huge.
Tricky pero mingan. Ray Bienes from the corner. Way off. Rebound. Marlon Gomez, another sorry miss. And then the recovery. Peromingan. On to Gomez. Shot clock reading 13. Marlon, the cutter is Hilario. Basket and one.
That's a smart cut by Hilario. You would think this would be a 20-point game. It's only 10.
Encho misses. Rebound Balti. Inside, he scores. 20 points and 17 rebounds for Balti. He might be able to break his record again. Let's see. That's the 27 rebounds that he set earlier in the season, by the way, as Encho Serrano converts with his fourth three-pointer.
This time for Baltasar with the assist.
28 points for Encho Serrano. 37 points in this quarter for Pampanga. And 2 points now for Tricky Peromingan. Kuya to Sanggalang. They go to JLC. Saw some daylight. He missed it. Sanggalang on the recovery. Right now it is Pampanga versus Pasay following the 39-point third quarter of the Giant Lanterns, Coach Chris.
Look at the numbers right here in front of you. 26-18 in the first was Pampanga. And then 24 is not bad for Pasay. That's actually high. But higher than 24 is 39. My goodness.
39 in 10 minutes.
A guy who knows how to win.
And so 2 pages surely isn't enough for Coach Jerson as of yet, as Archie Concepcion, you mentioned Kurt Rayson. You think about this lineup, this is already star-studded. Even without Encho Serrano and Balti Baltazar. Turnover. Reverente on the breakaway layup. That's 2 points.
I like what Sanggalang did though. Did in clutch baskets. You know, go-ahead baskets. It's really decided most of the time if how teams play in the third quarter, as Concepcion hits a 3 to extend this to 17.
Gigantic numbers again for Baltazar. 20 points and 19 rebounds with 7 dimes. Kurt Rayson from downtown. 3. Encho Serrano on the other end. 2 more points for Encho.
How many does he have? 30?
30. Archie Concepcion on the leaner. That's a miss, but Bahio is there for the putback. Again, this game, folks, was tied at halftime. And Serrano and Balti are still in this game. Archie with the leaner. Yes. On the shot clock for Pasay. Axel Inigo against Kurt Rayson, pushing away his defender, and he scores. Balti, a 20 and 20 game for him. Turnover. Numbers for Pasay, AJ Coronel with the layup. Said as well, Coach Christian.
Hi, Coach.
And Mika Abisamis is watching as well. Mika, good evening.
Lalong-lalo na, sino yun? Kung walang pasalubong yan, doble ko yung sino yun.
Mika's gonna cover that game on Saturday. Good defense by Sienes. Balti is still playing alongside Encho Serrano. Sienes with the leaner. Another miss here for Pasay. Encho with a breakaway. Well, we can consider that as a bit of a slam.
I'll give him a 6. Years ago, when he was playing for us in Adamson, this used to be a 2-hand slam.
Encho Serrano, almost but not quite. Still 2 points for him. He's up to 33 points in this ball game with 8 rebounds and 5 assists. Mission, pwede pang manalo ng authentic Gilas Pilipinas merchandise. Patrick Aquino scores for Pasay. Whenever I see, of course, it's the most awaited matchup. Sienes, 2-pointer.
And with that consistency is all 4 quarters, all 14 minutes.
Couple more baskets here for the Voyagers. They get it with a 3-pointer, but we have another timeout.
Does not get enough credit. Really Binuya, the decision of that coaching staff to start him in the third quarter also made a huge difference, for that third quarter run that they had, 39-24.
Scoring 39 points, 26 even in the fourth straight. And our best player is Enzo Serrano.
33 big points. Need we say more? Well, we've been saying his name a million times in the second half already. The highlights you see, but the numbers really staggering, obviously. Preparing for that showdown this coming Saturday.